Hi, my name's Jeremy Broun and I'm the organiser of the Alan Peters Furniture Award. Now, sadly, the 2020 award was put on hold because of the pandemic, but I'm really pleased to announce that we've got the show back on the road as an online event for 2021, and that will include a virtual exhibition. Now, if you are a UK resident citizen over 18 with a passion and talent for woodworking, then this is the award for you to consider. And please start making soon, because we have a deadline of the end of February. Now, I'll say a little bit more about entry requirements in a moment, but first, this award would not happen without the enthusiastic sponsorship of our promoter, or my promoting partner, the Woodworker magazine, and also the tool companies that are first and second prize sponsors. So let's first hear from Tegan Foley of the Woodworker magazine.
I was really thrilled that you asked us to collaborate with you on the award. Having worked in woodworking journalism for about 10 years now, I was familiar with Alan Peters and his work, and also the award that had been running before. So it seemed like a fantastic opportunity for us to keep the award running.
Now you can see the prizes on offer, the first two being tool vouchers from major tool companies in the UK, and the third prize being the Judges' Prize. Let's hear what our first prize sponsor, Axminster Tools, has to say. Kelly Wakely.
So at Axminster Tools, we're really passionate about woodworking, especially when it comes to finding and promoting new talent. So being involved in an award like the Alan Peters Furniture Award really gives us an opportunity to get behind our passion and hopefully find some of that new talent and help promote it.
Now, the award keeps alive the legacy of a prominent British furniture designer maker of the late 20th century. And here's a short clip from a film I made about him called The Maker's Maker. Sadly, I completed the film just before he died in 2009.
The craftsman, the disadvantage is that it's susceptible to movement. And I've spent a lot of time actually designing this table with a view to take into effect that constant movement. Yes, well, if one looks underneath, it's basically 5 upright legs coming up through the top that lock the top and keep it flat.
I want to get the best out of every piece that I work on. Every piece of wood, is hand-picked. And you can only do it if you've got this kind of feeling for wood.
Well, Alan Peters had a profound influence on generations of woodworkers. Now, the award focuses on hand craftsmanship. It doesn't have to be a large piece. It could be indoor or outdoor furniture. And of course, some machines can be used. Now, there are 3 judges. I'm one of them. And here is David Broun, one of the 3 judges. And this is what he has to say about what he's looking for. David.
For me, the most important thing of all is the design and proportion of a piece. It needs to look nice. And the second most important thing is the craftsmanship. Something needs to look good, but it needs to be made beautifully. And then finally, a fine finish, something that's a pleasure to touch.
Well, like any judges in any competition, we're going to differ slightly, and different things will impress us. But we all value the importance of hand skill. And the award also encourages design, and part of the design is about how you construct something. And of course, it must be fit for purpose. Now finally, if you're considering entering the award, we ask for 6 high-resolution images, and one of which should be showing the piece being made in your workspace. Full details can be downloaded in the application form. And winners will be asked to submit a short video or engage in a Zoom call for the final award ceremony in March 2021. Now here's a last brief word from Kelly Wakely.
I think you will find that you'll get a great deal of engagement from it, because it's wonderful that everyone's got the opportunity to enter into this award, but regardless, people really like to share their work, they're passionate about it, and they like to show everybody what they've done. So yeah, great, they might get an award at the end of it, but it's a great opportunity for people to showcase their work as well, and for the woodworking community and the furniture community to show each other what they've been up to.
Well, thanks Kelly, and thank you for watching. Please start designing and making and get those applications in before the deadline of the end of February. Thank you for watching.